Top 30 Eco-Friendly Sustainable Products for Daily Living. Looking for ways to reduce your carbon footprint? There are plenty of sustainable products that can help you do just that. From eco-friendly water bottles to reusable shopping bags, these 30 eco-friendly products will help you make a difference in the world. Not only are these products good for the environment, but they also look great and provide convenience for your daily living. Why choose eco-friendly products and how they help the environment? Eco-friendly products are becoming increasingly important in today's world. They not only help protect the environment, but they also provide great benefits for us as consumers. Eco-friendly products are made from natural materials, such as bamboo or recycled plastic, and they don't contain any harmful chemicals or toxins. By choosing to purchase eco-friendly products, you can help reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to the preservation of our planet. Furthermore, eco-friendly products often last longer than their non-eco counterparts and can save you money in the long run. If you want to be more eco-friendly and do your part for the environment, using sustainable products is a great starting point. Eco-friendly kitchen essentials for a greener home. Going green in the kitchen is a great way to reduce your environmental footprint. From eco-friendly cookware and utensils to energy-efficient appliances, there are plenty of options available for those who want to make their kitchens more sustainable. In this video, we will explore some of the best eco-friendly kitchen essentials that you can use to create a greener home. Eco-friendly bathroom must-haves for a sustainable lifestyle. Please comment to add additional eco-friendly products. Living a sustainable lifestyle is becoming more and more popular, and one of the best places to start is in your bathroom. Making eco-friendly choices when it comes to your bathroom can have a big impact on the environment. From low-flow shower heads to bamboo toothbrushes, there are many different items you can add to your bathroom that will help you reduce your carbon footprint. Read on for some of the must-have eco-friendly bathroom items that will help you create a sustainable lifestyle. Best eco-friendly personal care and beauty items to live a greener life. Going green doesn't have to be a challenge. With the right eco-friendly personal care and beauty items, you can make a difference in your daily life and help the environment at the same time. From organic skincare products to reusable makeup remover pads, there are plenty of ways to reduce your environmental footprint while still looking and feeling great. In this article, we'll discuss some of the best eco-friendly personal care and beauty items that you can use to live a greener life. List eco-friendly products to live on a daily basis. Living an eco-friendly lifestyle involves making conscious choices in our daily routines. Here are some eco-friendly products you can incorporate into your daily life. Reusable water bottle. Instead of using single-use plastic bottles, opt for a reusable water bottle made from materials like stainless steel or glass. Stainless steel or glass straws. Say no to plastic straws by using reusable straws made from stainless steel or glass. Bamboo toothbrush. Swap your plastic toothbrush for a biodegradable bamboo toothbrush. Reusable shopping bags. Bring your own reusable shopping bags when you go grocery shopping instead of using plastic bags. Beeswax wraps. Replace plastic cling wrap with reusable beeswax wraps to store food. Reusable coffee cup. Carry a reusable coffee cup made from materials like stainless steel or glass for your daily caffeine fix instead of using disposable cups. Cloth napkins. Switch to cloth napkins instead of paper napkins to reduce paper waste. Compostable trash bags. Use compostable trash bags made from biodegradable materials to dispose of your waste. LED light bulbs. Replace traditional incandescent light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs to save energy. Eco-friendly cleaning products. Opt for environmentally friendly cleaning products that are free from harmful chemicals and packaged in recyclable materials. Organic cotton towels and bedding. Choose towels and bedding made from organic cotton, which is grown without the use of harmful pesticides. Biodegradable dish soap. Use biodegradable dish soap that is free from harsh chemicals and safe for the environment. Solar-powered charger. Charge your electronic devices using a solar-powered charger to reduce reliance on traditional electricity. Energy-efficient appliances. Invest in energy-efficient appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, and air conditioners, which consume less electricity. Plant-based personal care products. Look for personal care products such as soaps, shampoos, and lotions that are made from natural, plant-based ingredients and packaged in recyclable materials. Remember, living sustainably is not just about using eco-friendly products but also about reducing consumption, reusing items, and recycling whenever possible. Reusable silicone food storage bags. Replace disposable plastic bags with reusable silicone bags for storing food and leftovers. Biodegradable bamboo cutlery set. Carry a portable bamboo cutlery set with you to avoid using disposable plastic utensils when eating on the go. Organic and fair trade clothing. Choose clothing made from organic and sustainably sourced materials, and support brands that follow fair trade practices. Eco-friendly laundry detergent. Use biodegradable and phosphate-free laundry detergents that are gentle on the environment and your clothes. Reusable makeup remover pads. Swap disposable cotton pads with reusable cotton or bamboo makeup remover pads to reduce waste. Zero waste toothpaste. Consider toothpaste tablets or powder packaged in recyclable or compostable materials as an alternative to traditional toothpaste tubes. Solar-powered outdoor lights. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with solar-powered lights, which harness energy from the sun and eliminate the need for electricity. Reusable beeswax food bags. Replace plastic sandwich bags with reusable beeswax food bags to pack snacks and lunches. Bamboo or cork yoga mat. Opt for a yoga mat made from sustainable materials like bamboo or cork instead of synthetic materials. Energy-efficient showerheads. Install low-flow showerheads to conserve water without compromising your shower experience. Biodegradable bamboo cotton swabs. Use biodegradable cotton swabs made from bamboo instead of plastic ones. Eco-friendly razors. Switch to safety razors with replaceable blades instead of disposable plastic razors. Solar-powered water heater. Install a solar-powered water heater to reduce energy consumption for heating water in your home. Natural and non-toxic cleaning cloths. Use cleaning cloths made from natural fibers like cotton or microfiber to reduce the need for disposable cleaning wipes. Eco-friendly phone cases. Choose phone cases made from sustainable materials like recycled plastic or plant-based bioplastics. Remember that living sustainably involves making mindful choices and being conscious of the environmental impact of the products we use. Biodegradable bamboo tissues. Choose facial tissues made from bamboo or recycled materials that are biodegradable. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Reusable beeswax food wraps. Replace plastic wrap with reusable beeswax food wraps to keep your food fresh without using disposable materials. Natural fiber dish brushes. Opt for dish brushes made from natural fibers like coconut husks or plant-based materials instead of plastic scrub brushes. Solar-powered outdoor oven. Consider a solar-powered outdoor oven for cooking and baking using renewable energy. Eco-friendly backpacks. Choose backpacks made from sustainable materials like recycled polyester or organic cotton. Reusable silicone baking mats. Replace disposable parchment paper or aluminum foil with reusable silicone baking mats for a greener baking experience. Bamboo or stainless steel lunchboxes. Pack your meals in reusable lunchboxes made from bamboo or stainless steel, avoiding single-use containers. Natural and biodegradable dishwashing liquid. Use dishwashing liquid that is made from natural ingredients and free from harmful chemicals. Water-saving shower timer. Install a shower timer to encourage shorter showers and conserve water. Rechargeable batteries. Switch to rechargeable batteries to reduce the number of disposable batteries that end up in landfills. Organic and non-toxic mattress. Choose mattresses made from organic materials and without harmful chemicals for a healthier and more eco-friendly sleep environment. Eco-friendly pet products. Use eco-friendly pet products such as biodegradable dog waste bags and sustainable pet toys made from natural materials. Cloth diapers. Consider using cloth diapers instead of disposable ones to reduce waste and environmental impact. Natural and biodegradable sunscreen. Opt for sunscreen made from natural and biodegradable ingredients to protect your skin without harming coral reefs and aquatic life. Sustainable office supplies. Use eco-friendly office supplies such as recycled paper, refillable pens, and non-toxic glue sticks. Every small change you make in your daily routine can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Share your knowledge. One of the best ways to contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle is to share what you know and teach others. Even if it's just basic gardening skills, people will appreciate your efforts. If you're living in an apartment or renting, try planting vegetables in pots on your balcony or patio. Ask locals for their advice on where you can get plants for free or at a great deal so that you can make a small space super productive. If you liked the video, please comment and let me know what else I could add or do different. Like and subscribe to help me grow my channel.